Hi guys, now in this class we will study about division of the errors. Alright, because we have already studied in previous classes about sum of the errors, difference of the errors as well as product of the errors. So here we will see about division of the errors. Alright, so see division of the errors. In same manner, you just have to suppose that let x be the resultant of the division of the different measurement just like a by b, and you just suppose equation 1 be there. So accordingly just you have to write that if delta x, delta a as well delta b be the absolute errors in the measurement of x, a and b. Okay, therefore you have to just divide this one just like this with its absolute error. So simply write down that x plus minus delta x, this one will be the absolute error of the resultant x. So this is equal to, now division be a, so this one is a plus minus delta a and divided by b, so b plus minus delta b, like that you have to take. So very simple, you just take x outside from this factor, so what you will get 1 plus minus delta x by x be there, and now from here just take a outside, so 1 plus minus delta a by a, and from here in same manner you just take b outside, so b be there, so you will get 1 plus minus delta b by b. Alright, now what you are seeing from here that a by b be there, so a by b from this equation 1 is x, so here is also x and here is also a by b is just like x, so you just cancel this one, a by b by x. So how much you will get from here, 1 plus minus delta x by x, and now from here you just take some changes, and some changes that is 1 plus minus delta a by a, and just take this factor from denominator to numerator. Okay, so this one is just 1 plus minus delta b by b to the power minus 1. So now from here whenever you will expand it binomially, then what happened, just see that 1 plus minus delta x by x equal, just expand it binomially, so that will be delta a by a, here is divided by a, and after expansion of this factor binomially, so power will be multiplied by the last factor. So what happened, so after being multiplication, here you will get that there is no effect on result, so you can write down directly also in place of plus minus, minus plus, either plus minus, there is no effect on result. But for your concern, just I am going to write here that this one is minus plus after being multiplication of this last factor by minus 1, delta b by b. Alright, then now from here what you are seeing, then you have to multiply this one, so after being multiplication there is 1 plus minus delta x by x and this one is just like 1 plus minus by multiplication of this one, so there will be delta b plus minus delta b by b, and by the multiplication of this one there is a plus minus delta a by a, and then from here you will get that there is, you can see here that plus minus minus, and there is minus plus minus, so minus minus be plus, so you can write down here that there is plus delta a delta b divided by a b. Alright, so now from here you are seeing that this factor will be neglected. Why? Because this one is in numerator, this one is a multiple of very small one, because this one is either in, just like see here that 0.1 multiplied by 0.2, so what will be 0.02, so this becomes more or less. Alright, and if you multiply 1 just like 1 or 10 by 11, so that would be how much, 110, so this becomes more greater. Alright, and after division of this one by this one, so that becomes too much less, so that's why this factor that will be neglected. Alright, yeah, so this one that will be neglected. Now you see that there is one on right side and same one on left side, so this one and this one will be cancelled. Now from here you are seeing that plus minus delta x by x be there, and that is equal to, just like same you just arrange this one, so there is plus minus delta a by a, and then again plus minus delta b by b be there. Okay, and this result having, this result having 4 possible values, in which you have to take the maximum one. Alright, so just here I am going to write that this one having 4 possible values, 4 possible values, in which maximum value be considered. So you see its maximum value is just like plus minus delta x by x, having its maximum value delta a by a plus delta b by b, just like the previous one you are seeing here that this is the maximum value. Okay, and this one is your result for division. Alright, so you just make this equation whatever, just equation 2. Alright, okay, now so we have got a result for the division of errors. So for the division of errors, and whenever you will compare this one from the multiplication of error, so what you are getting, that in multiplication of error the same result you were getting at there, this one is delta a by a plus delta b by b of the fraction of the resultant. Okay, so if you want, but you have to find the absolute error of this division. Therefore plus minus delta x is equal to delta a by a plus delta b by b, and this one is multiplied by simply this one x. So you have got the absolute error of division. Okay, alright, now we can understand this result by using an example. So example just like a question. Okay, so you just see a question is there. Okay, so a question is there that let the velocity, just like the change in velocity. Okay, so the change in velocity of a car, you just suppose a car be there. So the change in velocity of a car is, it just like just suppose that there is 12 plus minus 0.36 meter per second in time interval in time interval 4 plus minus 0.08 second. Alright, so there is a question that change in velocity of a car is this much meter per second in time interval this second. So find the acceleration of a car in same interval of time. Alright, so here you have to find acceleration, you have to find your velocity is given and your time is given. So simply you know that just make it solution that acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time, that is dv by dt. So simply here you can write down there is dv by dt. Alright, so this one is given. So from here you can find out that this one your velocity is 12 and how much be the time, your time be 4. So there is 4 3s are 12, that is 3 meter per square second, equation 1 be there, and this one is your acceleration. Now from here you have to find its error, absolute error. So how you can find this one? You are seeing that I am just simply just going to write, you just supposed to be equation 1 equation 2. So I am just going to write from here that simply acceleration is v by t. Okay, so if it is, then how you can change this one in its absolute error? You just see this one, acceleration can be written as delta a by a, and there is delta v by v plus, this one is in fraction. We have seen already that in case of division you can write down absolute error just like delta a by a is equal to delta v by v plus delta t by t. Alright, now put the value delta a by a, delta v, this one is 0.36. So 0.36 divided by v be there 12. Alright, plus delta t, this one is here 0.08. So 0.08 and then divided by t, so time be 4. Okay, just cancel this one. So 12 0 0 3 times, this one is cancelled by this one and this one is cancelled by 0.02, like that. So how much you will get? You will get delta a by a is equal to, this one is 0.03 plus here is 0.02. Alright, okay, and then after being calculation you will get delta a is equal to, you just multiply this factor by a. So how much be there? This one is there is a 0.05, so 0.05 be there and multiplication of a. Put the value of a from where? From this equation. See, from equation 2. Alright. So 0.05 into, from equation 2, there is 3 meter per square second from equation 2. Okay. Alright. Then your delta A, that is, just calculate this one, 3 5s are 15, so 0.15 meter per square second. So this one is your next equation. Now you have to find acceleration. So you have to find acceleration in the same interval of time with its limit. So your acceleration, that is a plus minus delta A. So delta A is from here and A is from equation 2. Alright. Okay, so here you can write down that using, just I am going to be write that using equation second and third. Put the value here. So A is 3 plus minus, your delta A is from here 0.15 meter per square second. Okay, and this one is your result. Alright, so from here you can see there are number of questions be there that based on this concept. So you have to just keep in mind